Today we talk about how can you create new client accounts on your Upwork challenge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on contact info here, and you come to this list. You just switch into open video. So then all you have to do, just click in this sign here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, then you click here on your client account. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on create, so or add here your company name. Then you click here on create client account. Then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,